Hmm.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you an experiment on texture of soil. Particularly I will be showing the texture of loamy soil or alluvial soil. As we all know that soil is very important part of our ecosystem, our forest, our agriculture, our vegetations, most of the things that is living on the earth depends on soil. You can see the the beautiful scenic is on the screen. The ecosystem, the forest systems depends on soil. We also know that whole life that is present on our earth survive because of soil. Soil are different types, like we have alluvial soil, like black soil. We also have laterite soil. Beside that, we also have yellow soil. We also have arid soil and many more. Today in this experiment, I will show you the ingredients or the components of loamy soil. For this experiment, we need first of all soil. This is loamy soil. It is also called garden soil. We need a bottle. You can take glass or anything that should be transparent. This bottle is also filled with water. I have also one homemade funnel. So let us put the soil into this bottle. Put this way. Stop. So slowly you can put the soil into this bottle this way. Okay. Now I have put the soil into this bottle. Now shake the soil and mix into this bottle this way. After shaking, you can see the water color is already changed. Now we have to wait for few hours, and I will suggest you, if you are doing this experiment, wait at least for 24 hours or 6 hours. You will start observing the result. After 12 or to 24 hours, you will find I have kept this water for 12 hours. After 12 hours, you will find the result this way. So you can see in this bottle at the bottom we have sand and gravel. The sand and gravel are settled down at the right of the bottom, and immediate above this sand and silt we have the clay particle. These clay particles are very much visible. Okay, and immediate after that you can see the water layer is present and the color is different. You can see the color is already mixed in this water, and this is the mineral present in the soil. The soil has different types of minerals, and we can see in this color. On the above, on the top, you can see some of the materials are floating. This floating material is the organic material called humus. So dear students, these experiments shows that alluvial soil is made of sand, silt, clay and humus. I repeat it. The texture of alluvial soil is sand, silt, clay and humus. Start. So as I told you, at the bottom we have sand and gravel. Just above that we have fine and silt. Then we have clay, and on the top what you can see the floating material, that is humus, organic material. So this type of soil in which there is component of sand, clay, silt and humus is called loamy soil or alluvial soil. And the basis of the percentage of their components, they can also be classified into sandy loam, clay loam and silt loam.